Hello, today we will guide you through how to add moving averages in Thinkorswim. In this walkthrough, we'll place two of the most commonly used moving averages, the 50-day and the 200-day, on your chart. Moving averages help smooth out price action so you can quickly see the trend. The 50-day often reflects medium-term momentum, while the 200-day shows the long-term trend. Start by opening the Thinkorswim app. Once you're in, go to your chart so you can view price data for the symbol you're analyzing. With the chart on screen, look for the Studies control. This is where all technical indicators live. Click on Studies, then choose Edit Studies to bring up the panel that lets you search, add, and customize indicators. In the search field, type Daily SMA. This study plots a simple moving average calculated from daily data, which keeps things consistent even if your chart time frame changes. From the results, add 2 instances of Daily SMA to your chart. Having 2 copies is important because we'll set one to 50 and the other to 200, letting you compare medium and long-term trends side by side. Next, click on Settings for the first Daily SMA you added. In the Length or Period field, enter 50. This tells the study to average the last 50 daily closes. You can leave the rest as default if you like. Using a distinct color and line style can make it easier to tell your averages apart at a glance, but the key is simply setting the correct period. Now move to the second Daily SMA and enter 200 for its length. This longer average helps you see the bigger picture by smoothing out more noise in the price action. It's common to keep the 50-day and 200-day lines visually different so you can identify them quickly when analyzing the chart. When both averages are configured, click OK to apply your changes. You should now see 2 lines overlaid on your price chart. The 50-day will generally follow price more closely, while the 200-day will move more gradually. Many traders watch how price interacts with these lines, and they pay attention when the 50-day crosses above or below the 200-day, as it can signal shifts in trend. Keep in mind, moving averages are lagging indicators, so consider them as part of a broader analysis. That's it. Your 50-day and 200-day Daily SMA lines are now active in Thinkorswim. Thanks for following along, and happy charting.